Okay, I have here a power supply, a switch mode power supply, and this power supply has a short. This is here the fuse. So that fuse is already busted, and I will check. Here, so no more continuity. This fuse, and there is a sign of burn here when the time the fuse was busted. It leaves a dark mark. I will make a jumper on this fuse here, this one. I will make a jumper behind here on these 2 points. So we will try to on this one, and let's see what will happen. So I will make a jumper here. This is a jumper wire, this point. So that is the jumper. Now what I'm going to do is I will try to give power into this power supply. The area here, this is the back side of the bridge rectifier. This one. So from here we can check if we have incoming voltage in it, and at the same time also the output voltage. So this is the input AC, these two are the output DC. So we'll give the power, and we will try to check. So you will measure the input voltage here. Now I'm trying to insert my multimeter here so that you will see the input voltage from this point up to here. We have 200, we have okay, we have 234. So in the input of this bridge rectifier here, we have nothing. It's a fluctuating input voltage. In the DC, we have 30 volts output. So as you can see from here, we have here 234 volts, but at the input of this bridge rectifier, the voltage is gone. So we will try to find what happened here in this area, why the voltage is gone. So this is the bridge rectifier. Focus. So these two are the AC input, and this is the output DC, this both sides. So if we check here, from the negative DC, there is a short. So we will try to remove this bridge rectifier to see if this is the one causing the problem, or is there another else. Sorry, it's away from the camera, so you did not see. But actually, I am only removing this rectifier. So now, this rectifier was removed, and this is it. We will try to check now if there is a short. So there is a short. See, there is a short. So I have here another bridge rectifier. As you can see, there is no short. Short. No short. No short. So this is the bridge rectifier that I have. So I will try to solder it now. Oops, our camera is not on focus. We have a broken track somewhere here, so I will make a jumper from this pin going here. Oops, it was removed. Seems like our jumper is moving, so we have to put the flux here. We have to put a flux here and make more solder. That's it. So we will check now. No more short on this pin, and no more short on this pin. So we will try if is there any improvement on what we have done. So this is the bridge rectifier that we put, and we make a jumper here at the back because the track was broken. So now we are going to measure the input and output of this bridge rectifier. If the 230 volts input is present, and at the same time we should get a DC output. Okay. So I plug already, and we have here our multimeter. So we will check first the AC input. Still we don't have AC input, but we do have an input here, and output which is very low. The AC input from this one Did not reach up to here. Did not reach here. So even we replace the shorted bridge rectifier, it means there is something else that was defective, so we have to trace it. So what is this? Wait, I think there is some broken track again. What is this? Look at this. We have here another broken track. So I think we need to make again another jumper here. So let's make a jumper. Now let's make a jumper in this area. And we are going to connect this jumper from this point. This one. Oh, it was removed. Okay, this area was soldered. So from here, so now we make a jumper here because of that broken track. So I need to cut this one off. And again, we will give power to our power supply. And let's see. Okay. First, we will check if we have the input voltage. Then the DC. This is the output now. And let me try to measure the output voltage here. See, in our multimeter we have now 14.9 or 15 volts. This is the output of this power supply. Now we are getting now 14.9 or 15 volts. So did we fix the power supply after changing the bridge rectifier, did we get the correct output? So this is the cover of the power supply. So we will check what is the output voltage there. Let me remove this one. So here it says 15.5 volts. So we got a 15.5 volts output after we replace the defective bridge rectifier. We replace it with this one. Okay, so that's it, and see you on the next video.